Hey guys, quick little video here. Want to show you what I've been working on. The hatches here, I got all the handles put on them, all the braces that keeps it up and everything. Wanted to show you this one little thing. This little black thing right here. It just kind of holds the window up, and you need it. Well, they don't make them anymore, or I can't find them. So I went to Lowe's and got a 3/4 inch cap, Schedule 40 cap, drilled a 3/8 hole through it, drilled a little hole over here to keep the rod up. 79 cents. I'm going to paint it black. You'll never know the difference. That's awesome. They work great now. Let me show you something else I'm working on. Okay, this is something else I'm working on. The shower. And that's it. And what I'm working on is the drain right there. So what you do is when you take a shower, water goes down there, and this just kind of stays in there until you turn this pump on, which is right here. There's a switch for it. And what it does is it sucks the water out, goes through a pump, and then just throws it overboard. And to the life of me, I don't know why it's in here. This is the pump. The drain comes from there, pumps through here, through the pump, goes up and out and back through here, and then goes overboard. I don't even know why they put it there, because that little strainer right there, you could never get to it. It was fastened to the wall back there. So I'm going to take it out and put it, there's a cubby hole back here where all the batteries go. I'm going to put it over there, and it'll be easier to get to. But just been working for about an hour to try to figure out the wiring for it and everything, and I do have it. So when you press the button, pump comes on. I just got to get it all cleaned up. That's what I'm working on. Stay with me. We're going to start shooting some short little videos. Still working on the trailer. I'm hoping next week or the week after I can get that trailer up underneath the boat. And I'm going to video all of that. So stay with me. Talk to you soon.